Hey guys, welcome to Geneva. I've just landed from my flight. The weather looks actually pretty good, and I wasn't actually planning to do a vlog here, but it's really sunny and you have to make the most of amazing weather when you're in Switzerland. Wow, I'm in Switzerland. Like, come on, I need to go out, right? So luckily the hotel gives us a free train ticket to go to the city. So I'm gonna take a bit of a nap for a few hours and let's go out, explore downtown a little bit and grab a bite to eat. So I'll see you guys in a couple of hours. Hey guys, I've just woken up. I took a couple of hours nap. So I did a bit of research and I'm so happy that the sun's come out to play. The weather's extremely amazing. I absolutely love Europe in the summertime, and that's why I wanted to go out and make the most of summer in Geneva, because whenever I'm in Geneva or in Switzerland, it's always winter and I really can't deal with the winter coming from Australia. Anything below 20 degrees is freezing for me. So today it's in the high 20s. I've done a bit of research and I plotted a couple of things that I'm going to show you guys, some of my favorite spots and iconic spots in Geneva. It's dubbed as a pretty expensive city. I'm going to see what budget we can work on because my friends told me, hey, don't go out and eat too much because it's super expensive. Let's take a look around Geneva and take a walk for a couple of hours because that's all the amount of time I've got here. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and keep on watching if you want to see how downtown Geneva looks like. Hey guys, so we're here at the largest flower clock in the world. It actually changes the flowers 4 times a year, so if you come here every quarter of the year, this always looks different. So I'm lucky to be here during the summertime, so this is how it looks like in the summertime. But I'm curious to see what it looks like in the winter or spring or autumn time. I'm sure it looks just as beautiful as it does today. But the largest flower clock in the world right here in downtown Geneva. We're here in Lake Geneva, which is in downtown Geneva city center, and what you're looking at right here is the Jardin. That was made in, or built in 1886, and I still can't believe the power that the jet streams have in this fountain. It's one of the largest fountains in the world, and it shoots the water up in the air at 140 meters. That's just truly amazing, and when you just stare at it, it just looks like it's in slow motion. So let's take a closer look at the Jardin. As much as I'd love to go a bit closer to that jet, I heard that if you go right out there to the pier right next to the jet, probably going to get wet because the wind direction changes really quickly. And I can see people are getting like drenched out there at the moment on the pier, so I don't want to get my camera wet too. I need to use this later. So the Jardin was one of the first things that I came to see when I came to Geneva. A long time ago, I came here about 5-6 years ago. So it's good to kind of relive the memories that I did have when I came to Jardin all those years ago. But I'm feeling a bit peckish. Let's just come down here. I saw some snacks down here, so let's just have a look at what we can find right here with a view of the jet. Yeah.
Swiss chocolate is very good, so caramelita and double creme is very good. If you want coffee, I have espresso.
Okay.
It's very nice. So.
I'm actually gonna try, I'll have the two. I'll have the double cream on the bottom, and on the top I'll have the espresso.
Espresso and double cream. It's the same cone.
Yeah, thank you. Just have to say that Mövenpick ice cream is super creamy and delicious. It wasn't too sweet actually, it was full of flavor. I love Mövenpick ice cream now. We're now in Old Town Geneva. I really wanted to walk down here because this is a really cool place to go to if you want to have something to eat or drink. There's amazing restaurants, quirky cafes, and a place if you just want to chill out on a park bench and have a quick bite to eat. Also, I just love old towns in every single European city I go to. It tells you a lot about the history of the city you're in and architecture. So let's keep on walking around Old Town because this place is just amazing and absolutely beautiful. You got to come down here when you're in Geneva. The vibe, the atmosphere, the people, kids, older people, people walking their dogs, riding their bikes. It's just amazing. Fresh air too. So let's walk around and just absorb it all in. So we're now here at St. Pierre Cathedral. Here in Old Town, this cathedral kind of towers over the Old Town of Geneva. It's right up on a hill. I had to come up 157 steps to get here. That's good exercise after that Mövenpick ice cream that I had. Let's see if we can go inside. It looks really, really amazing. I'm really curious to see what it looks like on the inside. It's a Protestant church, so let's check it out. Guys, remember I was going to tell you about how expensive it is here in Geneva, so I just came out of Starbucks and I got my normal cold brew grande, and this cost $11 Australian or $8 US. So it cost me 8 francs for this, and then I just realized, remember that Mövenpick ice cream I just had earlier? That cost me 8 francs. So that ice cream cost me 11 bucks for 2 scoops of ice cream. Can't believe it. You can go broke here for like 2-3 days. But that's the price you pay for going to Switzerland. However, the locals here don't feel it too much because they get paid really well in wages, so they don't feel hiking the prices as much as we do when we come and visit Switzerland. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy this cold brew as much as I can, savor my $11 cold brew, and we'll start heading home soon. Back in the hotel. I know that I got back here a little bit early, but to be completely honest, I have to wake up early tomorrow morning. I have work, just like everyone else. But are you guys still shocked at my $11 cold brew at Starbucks. I know, right? I was pretty hungry and I didn't really feel like eating out, so I dropped by a little mini mart and I got a few things. And of course I got things that were on sale, 50% off. Come on, you gotta save some money. After having that $11 Mövenpick ice cream and $11 Starbucks cold brew, I needed to save a bit of cash with my dinner. So I just got a sandwich and salad, and both of them together cost me $15. Anyway, let's not dwell on how much I spent today. But let's talk about how beautiful Geneva is. It's just absolutely beautiful, right? The weather just adds to how scenic Switzerland is, and I've always said this to my friends: if you do a Europe trip, go past Switzerland. It's surrounded by the Alps, and there's a certain part of Geneva that you have a direct view of Mont Blanc when the views are clear. Geneva is one of the cities that you can actually see the Mont Blanc from. Fresh air, the breeze, Lake Geneva, the people. Of course, when you come down here, the Swiss chocolate, cheese fondue. I had that when I was here in the wintertime in the Alps. The cheese fondue is amazing. And of course, the chocolates. I was going to pass by a few chocolate shops, but I was a bit disheartened with the price of everything, and I didn't really realize how expensive it was because it sounds so cheap. Like, oh yeah, 5 francs here, 8 francs there. But when you convert it to your currency back home, it's like, wow. That's actually a lot. So hope you guys liked this travel vlog. I know it was a bit of a short one, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you all in the next travel vlog. So see you then.